Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today's recipe is going to be coming out of this cookbook right here, Dining with Pioneers. Tipper over on Celebrating Appalachia channel, she had a recipe one evening and she showed this cookbook that she had, and Carolyn got to look it on Amazon and we found it. It is chock full of recipes, folks. It's a real thick cookbook and they got a lot of good recipes in there. And the one we're going to be making today is quick and easy barbecue chicken with Coca-Cola. And this is on page 135 in that cookbook. Alrighty, all we need: chicken, ketchup, Coca-Cola, and Carolyn used salt and pepper just to season it with there. There's our salt and pepper. Okay, you just take something you can cook your chicken in the oven with. Take your ketchup, pour over top. And then Carolyn's going to take and just smooth that ketchup around through there, spread it out. She's got her little handy dandy spurtle there. Alrighty, now we're going to throw on some salt. Sprinkle you some around through there. This here salt and pepper is just a taste. Now we're going to put some pepper. Carolyn's sprinkling away. Okay. Now we're going to come in with Coke. I think. There we go. Alrighty. Just pour that Coke on there. And then we're going to put it in the oven. And the directions said bake about an hour. And that Coke will just cook away. Alrighty. Now Carolyn's going to come in here with her little handy dandy spurtle here. And she's just going to move the chicken around a little bit. And there's the finished product. That's what it'll look like when it comes out of the oven. Alrighty, here's our plate. Folks, I'm going to tell you that chicken was good. Everything was good. Folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Let your friends know about us. And you all have a blessed day. And we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.